Hello class. Our today's topic is DNS blacklist. DNS stands for domain name system. DNS blacklist is just like a spam list, or you can say this is a list of IPs that you want to avoid, or the list of IPs from where you do not want to receive any traffic in your network. In DNS blacklist, the folder containing the script contains two folders that are compared against each other. One folder contains the text files of the IPs and domain blacklists. These blacklists can be obtained from either your open sources or maybe through threat intelligence providers. The script then runs the suspicious log files or maybe the IP addresses against the blacklist to determine whether there are any matches or not. So let's now try to understand how this DNS blacklist actually works. For that, first of all, please type the URL that you are seeing on your screens right now, which is this URL. I'm just copying the URL and open the browser and paste the URL on the browser. Then you will see there is a downloads option on the bottom left of your screen. So just click on download. So when you click on downloads, you will see our download repository option present over there, which is of 2.2 MB. So you just download this repository and minimize the window. After that, just go to your downloads. In downloads, you will see our DNS blacklist zip file which you have just downloaded from the browser that is present. So you will just right click on this and click on extract here, and you will unzip this folder, and you can see the extracted folder is present here on the screen. After that, just copy this extracted folder, and paste it on your desktop. As you can see, I have already pasted it here. You copy it from the downloads and paste it on the desktop. After that, open the folder on the desktop. Here you will see a folder named badlist will be there, and DNS blacklist Python file will be there. Now you need to create a suspect IP folder. For that, just right click and new folder and name the new folder to be suspect IP folder. Just name it. Now you will see two folders present here. One is bad lists and one is suspect IP folder. In bad list, we will be having the list of all the IPs. That means all the log files will be present in the bad list. And in suspect IP, we will be keeping the IPs that from where we do not want to receive any traffic in our network, or the IPs that are suspected. Clear from the name only. Say for example, I want to avoid 5 IPs from where I do not want to receive any traffic in my network. So I'll be keeping those 5 IPs in the suspect IP folder, and they will be compared against the bad list. In bad list, we have the log files and both of the folders will be compared. Right. Now what you will do is you will just open the bad list folder. Here you will see there will be a text file named IP blacklist. So just copy the text file and paste just copy the text file and paste it into the suspect IP folder. I have pasted it already. You copy the IP blacklist text file from the bad list folder and paste it to the suspect IP folder. Okay, here you might be seeing two more files, one by readme text file by readme name and other would be by malware. So you can delete both of the files. I have already deleted it, so you are not seeing those two files on my screen. As I already told you that in bad list we will be having all the logs. So let me quickly just show you all the logs which are present in the bad list. You can see all the logs here. There are so many logs which are present here in the IP blacklist text file present in the bad list folder. Now we have copied the same text file to our suspect IP folder. So now what you will do is you will go to suspect IP folder. You will open this text file and you will just keep 4 to 5 IPs and delete all other IPs from the list. I have just kept 2 or 3 IPs. You can keep 4 or 5 IPs and delete every other IP from the text file. After that, quickly open your terminal. Here we will give the path where we have kept that DNS blacklist folder. It is on the desktop, so I'm giving the path as cd desktop, cd name of the folder. Now we are into this folder. Now the command or the script for the same is python space DNS blacklists.py bad underscore lists slash suspect IP, the folder which we have created. You have to give the same name here. Enter. Now what has happened, it has started, as I have already told you, it will compare both the folders. So it has now started comparing both the folders. That means the bad list folder and suspect IP folders. And you will see that it is going to give you the result will be the IPs which are common in both the folders. So in both the text files or in both the folders, these two IPs were common. That means these are the IPs which are suspected, as well as they are present in the log file also. So it has shortlisted, or it has given you the list of IPs which are available in both the folders. So this is the working of your DNS blacklist. Thank you.